I'm Matan Feldman, founder of Wall Street Prep, and I'll be your lead instructor. I'm really excited for us to get started on this journey together, but before we do, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I began my career over 20 years ago at JP Morgan in the investment banking, mergers and acquisitions group, and then in sell-side equity research. 4 years later, I left JP Morgan to start Wall Street Prep with a simple vision: to completely demystify the way financial modeling is done by finance professionals and to make it far more accessible. Since then, Wall Street Prep has become one of the leading trainers on Wall Street. We provide either in-class or online training at 8 of the top 10 leading investment banks. I've had the good fortune to train thousands of finance professionals in person at some of the world's leading financial institutions. I'm excited to impart that same training to you here. So now that you know a little bit about me, what are we going to learn in this program? We're going to learn financial statement modeling. Now, regardless of what finance career you are pursuing, whether it's investment banking, equity research, private equity, corporate finance, or FP&A, the foundation of so much of what you'll be doing is being able to present a company's financial results in a way that is fully integrated. What that means is that the 3 financial statements are correctly tied together, and changes in any one assumption correctly impacts all the other dependent assumptions. That's what this course is all about. We will start from scratch with a blank Excel sheet, and we'll go step by step through the process of building a true-to-life 3-statement model the way you would on the job. We'll start with a deep dive into financial modeling best practices, covering everything from how to properly format your model to how to structure different elements of your model. Next, we'll go through the process of gathering documents required for a modeling exercise and build what's called a public information book, or a PIB. Then we'll begin to model. Using Apple as our primary case study, we input historical results and get the party started by forecasting the income statement. Next, we turn to forecasting the balance sheet and building working capital, property, plant, and equipment, debt schedules, and depreciation waterfalls. Once the schedules are built, we will turn to the cash flow statement and complete the core model with how to build a revolving credit line forecast and deal with the resulting circular interest expense. Next, we turn to how to handle errors in your model, most notably, how to deal with the nightmare scenario of your model not balancing. Finally, you'll learn how to build what is perhaps the most important element of the model, which are the scenarios and sensitivities that enable us to see how different assumptions alter important outputs and KPIs. Along the way, we'll show you the most common ways to forecast revenue, including a price volume build for Apple, and we'll cover many advanced functions. But like all our courses, it all starts with a simple, empty Excel spreadsheet. So with that, let's get started.